Another navigation tip for you using some of the built-in functionality of Bluebeam. This one will aid your navigation when you've got a project that's got quite a lot of sectional detail on. So let's open our drawing pack. Get them all open. File. That only works if you combine into a set. And it's important that you name that set, otherwise this won't work. So let's just call it takeoff. Close all the other tabs we don't need. Okay, now we've got the same problem we've shown you before where we've just got a series of numbers, so let's remedy that and create some page labels. Let's just grab the name of the drawing there. Okay, make sure all your pages are selected in the menu. I've discovered also that if these are not in the right order and you've imported them, you can kind of shuffle them in here. So we've got lower ground floor, we want ground floor next, then the roof, yeah, front and left elevation, another elevation down here somewhere, rear and right. So we've got plans, elevations, then all the sections. We've got some external works here. We don't actually need that. Let's just get rid of that. And also that one. So now we've got a navigable set. Now if I'm taking this off, I've got all this sectional detail available to me. I'd have to keep flicking back and forth to look at that particular detail. What you can do in Bluebeam is use the batch facility to provide hyperlinks. So if we click new, we add the open files, it's combined, so it's just that particular one, so they'll all go in. And again, we need to select the region or the page label, what we're going to use to create the links. Now in this case, all these drawings are preceded by this project number, which will appear on every page. But if you look at the actual sectional detail, all we're really after is that page number 303. So if we select just the page number, click generate, it's picked up all these search terms in all the pages. You click run, and then you can see we've successfully created 54 hyperlinks. Go ahead, finish and close. Now you can set the colour of the hyperlink in the dialog as you're doing this. I've just gone for blue just so it's a little bit more obvious, but if you notice, if I want to jump to that particular 302, I click on it, it will take me to 302, which is really handy. And just remember, when you're using these navigation buttons, this particular one here will take you back to the previous view. So if I was on a plan and then I jump to this section, it takes me straight back to where I came from originally. That's a really helpful way of flitting back and forth between all the information that's available to you within a drawing set. Hope that helps somebody.